In this video, we are the players preparing and the academic all and everything with the prepare place and here the head coach each and every equipment as well hydrated drink in the restore the practice session workout and each and everything in the appreciation of the match prepare of the match and the academic whole management will be the prepare ground is the ready each and the net is the ready ground is the ready so all is ready for the practice session and ice is also drop in the box